Okay, so I needed to use my iPad. However, it's not charged. So I'm like, oh, well, I got this the other day. Thank you, Omnibar. And I'm like, maybe this will help me. So I'm gonna find out. Oh dang, look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's like, what is this color? It's like freaking, and ooh, it feels good. It's like a lime color. Okay, so, oh man, this is like high quality stuff. I'm impressed. It feels neat. Ooh, so cool. Okay, so I've got this, and then I'm gonna have to plug this in to my box. It is 9:52 a.m. and I am going to keep checking it periodically and see when it gets to almost full or full as close as possible. I might let it charge a little bit too long or something, but I'll try to get it as close as possible so we can see how lightning this lightning charger is. Okay, so I couldn't have any more patience, and so I only let it charge to like 11%, which took about 26 minutes, well actually more like 30. So this is an old iPad. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but the cord is high quality. It is a great length, so it's 6 foot, 6 foot cord, which is really helpful. I like the green color, and yeah, it feels really cool. So yeah, if you're looking for a USB-C to lightning cable, this is it. This is good.